Alright, let's see what we're dealing with here. I had to get a lock for the gate by the trash bin because the one we had now just kind of broke on us from wear and tear. So let's see what we're dealing with. Here's the screws. And let's see what else we're doing here. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Here's the screws for it. And here's the pieces. You got it wrapped up pretty good here so you wouldn't lose pieces. Let's see what we're doing with. There we go. Okay. It should only be 2 pieces. There's this piece. And it has 4 screws right here. Actually, it goes like this because it's supposed to go on this part like this. So this is how it's supposed to go. Okay? So it's on the gate. On this side, you screw in all 4 screws. And then you put this side right there. And it should go even. So that's pretty much all to it. That's all to it. And then you got the screws right here. So let's put everything back. I'm going to put this on the gate tomorrow. It's to replace the old one we had for years. This is the 5-inch one. Should work out. That's all to it. And there you go. And there you go. So that's it. It's very simple. Just got this piece, you got that piece, you got the screws for everything. To put this on the gate, it's just a replacement. Thanks for watching. Lamont